Good morning. I don't care if it's not morning for you, it's morning for me. Actually, that's not true. It's like 12:10, so that means it's afternoon because it's afternoon. Get it? Haha, I'm so comedic. I feel like the camera's gonna fall because it's balancing on two coats right now on my coat rack. But today's video, let's just say we're doing this because I need to treat myself, you know, treat yourself 2020. If you get that Parks and Rec reference, I hope you do. If you don't, then click off this and go binge watch that entire series. And I don't care if you don't want to, I'm like making it a requirement. But I don't know, I was just kind of having a rough morning. I like did not sleep well at all last night. I'm just kind of starting a new semester, starting college. That's kind of a lot. I just need to do stuff that makes me feel better. You know, just a self-care routine to, you know, detox the stress. Let's go. First things first. First self-care thing I'm gonna do, I need to wash my sheets, which no one ever like really talks about on YouTube videos. Everyone's like, I'm cleaning my bathroom. And then they'll show a video of them sticking the little thing into the toilet and going like this. But we're gonna start out by washing the sheets because having clean and warm sheets right when you go to bed just feels really, really nice. So we're gonna start off by doing that. Okay, this is boring. I'll tell you, I'm just gonna wash them and I don't need to film this part. Another self-care thing, because productivity always makes me feel better. Just stuff that makes me feel like I'm getting my life together makes me feel better about literally everything. But the first productive thing that we're gonna be doing for the self-care routine is fixing this. I haven't fixed this in like 2 years. So let's just... There we go, and I don't care about the date. I'm feeling better already. Now it's lunchtime, and I'm gonna go on Yelp to find a place. I really love acai bowls, so I think I'm gonna get one of those because that just always makes me feel better. I know a lot of people are always like, acai bowls are good, but they have too much sugar. Well, I need that sugar to, you know, keep me awake. So I kind of want to go somewhere where I have to drive on the highway because I'm really extra. But then I'm realizing I have to get gas otherwise, so that might be a little bit difficult. Yeah, I'm just gonna go like the Jamba Juice down the street because I'm not about to go get gas, so... Jamba! Let's mobile order because I'm lazy and I don't like talking to people. I'm just realizing now how dirty these shoes are, but that's okay. Time to go pick up my Jamba Juice. I always like getting out of the house when I'm having not the best day because just a change of scenery is all good. And now I'm so hungry that I need to stop talking and time for eating. Oh, I love when the light does that. I almost got ran over by a Cadillac. But it wasn't my fault. I wasn't being stupid. So they should have not almost hit me in the crosswalk. But here's the acai bowl. This is a nutter button. No, it's an almond thing, so it looks good and I'm about to eat it real quickly. And I'm not gonna film me eating it because I don't like eating and talking at the same time. Just another one of my billion pet peeves that I don't like. So I'm gonna consume this real quick. And then on the video it's gonna look like I ate it in 10 seconds, but in reality it probably took me also 10 seconds because I eat quickly. Time to go back home now. So I think the best way that I like normally pull myself out of a little funk when I'm not feeling too great is listen to like some really good music. And like obviously there's good music, but then there's also like sing along music. Like this is what like makes me feel better. This is how I kind of felt better from earlier this morning, is I listened to a playlist that I call Songs to Scream Sing in the Car. And these songs just, I don't know, there's something about just the way they are that just puts me in a better mood. So yeah, and there's like 2 reasons why I don't do like a big playlist video. One is I don't want to do a whole playlist video because I just don't feel like getting copyright. I don't want to get copyrighted because I'm afraid of everything. And number 2 is you know how in all the playlist videos everyone lip syncs everything? Well, I never lip sync. I always just regular sing. Probably not the best thing ever, but whatever. It's okay. Blah 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 blah. So I was gonna put in some clips of me scream singing some of the songs, but then I was like, it's better for everyone's eardrums if I don't do that. So you're welcome. Also, do you like these pillow pets up here? I do. Yeah, you just didn't need to see 5 minutes of whatever this was. By the way, the song was Before He Cheats by Carrie Underwood. So it's a little bit later now. I went on a bike ride to Starbucks with my dad earlier, so that was like a good relief thing because, you know, like just getting out in nature is really good when you're feeling like you need a little bit of a mental boost. Also, another good thing is exercising, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Let's do that. Okay, I guess the box was empty, so we're not having this one today. Guess we're gonna go with the mint tea. So now to conclude the day, I was going to put on a face mask because, I don't know, kind of breaking out, and my skin is also simultaneously oily and dry at the same time. I didn't want to put on a face mask because honestly face masks are worth a lot of hassle, which no one ever talks about. Everyone's like, oh, putting on a face mask, so fun. But then it takes like 10 minutes to like scrub it all off your face, and I just don't think that's worth it at the moment. I'm just good with my tea, my mint tea, decaf of course, which is like still a little too hot to drink. But the final thing for today is to read a book voluntarily, and this book is called The Story of Earth. It's an Earth history book, basically from the development of the first atoms to like humans. I really like Earth history books, and I really like reading too, which is weird. But I was literally that kid in elementary school who the teacher would be like,
Susan, put your book away, we're trying to focus on learning.
But then I'd be reading like Percy Jackson or something. True story, one time I brought all the Percy Jackson books to school in 2nd grade and shoved them all on my desk because that's just how I was. But I'm just gonna read this because I think reading's relaxing and it's fun when it's not required. Oh, they're talking about how the earth is a sphere and it's not flat, so like... Yeah, so I just finished the introduction. It's really good so far. It sounds really interesting. And anyway, that was relaxing, and now I'm ready for bed. But thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this little self-care routine with me. This is kind of some of the stuff I normally do, not necessarily in this order, but I suggest you do these things too because they'll make you feel better. Even if you're not having like a bad day, it'll just be good for you. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to. Comment down anything below, something funny, tell me a joke, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night.